My favorite electric device is a laptop, which plays a virtual role in my daily life. Its primary function includes supporting my study, providing entertainment, and searching for information on the internet. This device consists of several essential components, such as a high-resolution screen, a keyboard, and a touchpad. The screen is used to display all visual data on documents, while the keyboard allows me to input text and comment efficiently. Additionally, the toolbar serves as a built-in mouse for easy navigation. I really like this device because it's extremely useful for my academic work and help me complete my assignment efficiently. It is truly an indispensable tool for any modern study.